Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to show you how to make Italian pasta salad. So thank you very much for watching all of my recipes and I hope you enjoyed this one as well. So to start, like always, let's start with all the ingredients you're going to need to make this salad. So the first thing we're going to need is just some pickles. I just bought these in a Costco in a glass jar. You will also need some sweet pepper, could be orange, yellow, red. Just don't use the green one because these are sweeter and they taste a lot better. You're going to need some pieces of ham. So these are pretty thick slices because we're going to need to make cubes out of them. So you want to ask at the store to cut very thick slices. So this is just regular ham. Try not to use any kind of honey ham or black forest ham. You want as original of a ham as possible, preferably not turkey, just like regular pork ham. You're also going to need some Hellmann's regular mayo or any mayo you like, as well as Italian seasoning. I have this Clubhouse, but you can use any kind of Italian seasoning. You can even make your own. And the last thing you're going to need is some pasta. So this is just some boiled regular pasta. I boiled it for about 10 minutes because you don't want it to be too al dente. You want it to be a little bit soft, but not too mushy. Preferably you would use a pasta that's a little bit smaller in size than this, like those that are shaped like a spiral maybe. This is the pasta I had on hand, so I'm just using this one here. So that's all the ingredients you need to make this salad. So let me show you how to put it together. So let's start by cutting the pepper. So what you want to do is just cut long slices like this. Pretty much you want to cut the rest of the ingredients into cubes so they're all kind of the same. I mean, of course, you can't make perfect cubes with the pepper, but something like a cube would work. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to cut is the pickle. So the same thing, I'm gonna cut it along the long side, just like that, and try and sort of make cubes. Okay, and the last ingredient we need to cut up is ham. So I should also mention I made about half of a regular size box of pasta. I'm going to use maybe 1 to 2 slices of ham. I kind of just eyeball to see that all the ingredients in the salad are kind of the same amount. Maybe you want less pickle if you don't like things too salty or too sour, but I do approximately the same number of ingredients, so everything looks very even in the salad. So let's cut up the ham. The same thing, I'm just gonna slice like this. Maybe not use the ends, but just like that. Okay, so now we just want to add the ham to the salad. Okay, so all the ingredients are now in the bowl. So what we're going to do now is just dress up the salad. I'm not going to add any salt because the ham, the pickles, and the mayo are pretty salty. So the only thing we're going to do now is just add this Italian seasoning. And you kind of eyeball this. So I think that should be plenty. And we're going to put some mayo in the salad. And we're just going to mix the salad. Okay, everybody, the salad is ready. So it is a great salad to have for lunch with a piece of bread. It is very filling because it's like almost like a main dish because you have a pasta and some meat as well as some vegetables and mayo. So for sure you won't go hungry after the salad. So let me show you up close. So this is an Italian pasta salad. So we have pasta, sweet peppers, pickles, ham, some Italian seasoning, and some mayo. I hope you try out the salad. I hope you enjoy. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.